Wow, we just received an amazing 5-star review from one of our new happy customers. They were so excited about our great customer service, they went online and left this fantastic review. Here's what they had to say. Reviews like this motivate us to keep working hard for all of our customers. We pride ourselves in providing the best possible customer service now and in the future. So whether you are somebody we haven't seen in a while or new to us, we value all customers, new and old, and treat them equally with great customer service. Feel free to call us at the number on your screen. We're glad you had a chance to check us out today, and we're looking forward to chatting with you soon.